Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, last night have given the federal government and Southeast governors 7 days to produce its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, or be prepared to face consequences. This statement was made by their media and publicity secretary. This is coming after the lawyer to the IPOB leader claims the military might have killed or abducted him, cause last he heard from him was on Sunday when his country home in Abia was invaded. The group's media and publicity secretary Comrade Emma Powerful said, "We are giving the federal government and Southeast governors 7 days to produce or tell us the condition of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. If he's still alive, they should charge him to court, because if anything happens to him, the Southeast governors should bear the consequences after the expiration of this notice, or they should hasten to build more prisons and acquire more weapons which they will use to kill more Biafrans. We are once again raising alarm for the United Nations and the relevant bodies across the globe to ask Nigerian government and her security operatives to give details of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu and his parents, including those dead bodies and those picked up alive during the attack and invasion of our leader's compound in BIAFRA. We wonder why the southeastern governors would decide to collaborate with House of Fulani oligarchy to kill our leader Nnamdi Kanu and parents. Nnamdi Kanu has been using nonviolence approach for the actualization of Biafra since 2012, when the struggle for Biafra independence started. It is important for the Nigerian government and Southeast governors to produce our leader Nnamdi Kanu before the situation gets out of hand. Let the world also ask the Nigerian government and Southeast governors why and how they sent military to invade Nnamdi Kanu's compound, which led to the loss of many innocent lives within 5 days of the operation in his compound. It is official. Attorney General gets court approval banning IPOB as a terrorist group. The details are yet to follow, but reports has it that the Nigeria's Attorney General got the court order interdicting the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, tagging it as a terrorist organization.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.